Glendale homeowners enjoy a warm, sunny climate most of the year, but that doesn't mean local homes are free from weather-related challenges. From intense summer heat and strong UV exposure to dusty winds and seasonal temperature shifts, windows must be durable enough to withstand it all. That's why many homeowners are turning to weather-resistant vinyl windows, a long-lasting, energy-efficient solution designed to protect Glendale homes in every season. Here's how weather-resistant vinyl windows help safeguard your home while improving comfort, efficiency, and overall performance all year long. Outstanding durability for Glendale's intense sun and heat. One of the biggest benefits of vinyl windows is their natural resistance to heat. Glendale's desert climate brings extremely hot summers, and low-quality window frames can warp, crack, or fade under such intense sun exposure. Vinyl windows, however, are engineered with UV-resistant materials that hold up beautifully in high temperatures. These features help prevent fading and discoloration, protect against warping or bowing, maintain frame strength despite temperature fluctuations, extend the lifespan of your windows. Even in Glendale's hottest months, vinyl windows stay strong, stable, and visually appealing. Excellent insulation that reduces heat transfer. Keeping your home cool is a top priority in Glendale, where temperatures frequently soar. Weather-resistant vinyl windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, helping maintain comfortable indoor temperatures without overworking your air conditioning system. Energy-efficient vinyl windows commonly include double-pane or triple-pane insulated glass low-E coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, argon-filled panes for additional insulation, multi-chambered frames that improve thermal resistance. These features keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer during occasional chilly winter nights, offering year-round comfort and lower energy costs. Superior resistance to dust, wind, and air leaks. Glendale's desert environment means homes regularly face dust, wind, and dry air. Older or poorly sealed windows can allow dust and debris to enter, causing indoor air quality issues and making your HVAC system work harder. Weather-resistant vinyl windows provide tight, durable seals that block drafts, protective weather stripping to reduce air infiltration, secure frames that stand up to high winds, better indoor air quality overall. These benefits are especially noticeable during dust storms or windy days common in the region. Moisture-resistant frames that prevent mold and rot. Even in a dry climate like Glendale's, homes can still be exposed to moisture, from monsoon storms to indoor humidity produced by cooking, showers, or household appliances. Traditional wood frames may warp, swell, or rot when exposed to moisture, while aluminum frames can corrode over time. Vinyl's natural moisture-resistant properties help prevent mold and mildew growth, eliminate warping, swelling, or cracking, preserve structural integrity, reduce long-term maintenance needs. This makes vinyl windows ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and any area exposed to temperature or humidity changes. Low maintenance for busy Glendale homeowners. Glendale families appreciate home upgrades that don't require constant upkeep. Vinyl windows are one of the lowest maintenance window choices available. Homeowners enjoy no need for painting or refinishing, frames that won't chip, peel, or rust, easy cleaning with mild soap and water, long-lasting appearance with minimal effort. For those with active lifestyles, vinyl windows provide dependable performance with virtually no maintenance stress. Long-term value and improved energy efficiency. Energy-efficient homes are more desirable than ever in Glendale's competitive real estate market. Weather-resistant vinyl windows not only improve day-to-day comfort, they also add long-term value by increasing energy efficiency and reducing future replacement costs. This upgrade provides lower monthly utility bills, longer window lifespan, increased buyer appeal, enhanced indoor comfort, and noise reduction for homeowners planning to sell or stay long-term. Vinyl windows deliver excellent return on investment. A smart, year-round solution for Glendale homes. Weather-resistant vinyl windows are specifically designed to handle Glendale's unique climate, offering heat resistance, strong insulation, moisture protection, and long-lasting durability. Whether you're updating old windows or improving your home's energy efficiency, vinyl windows provide a practical, stylish, and cost-effective solution that protects your home year-round. If you're ready to boost comfort, performance, and value, weather-resistant vinyl windows are a smart investment for your Glendale home.